These are the hands of a master chef. Monsieur René Verdon, chef to famous hotels and restaurants in Paris and New York, and former chef to the White House. A master chef who knows the importance of the art of carving.
No matter how you prepare meat, its final appetite appeal depends on how well it is carved.
Any food, meat in particular, must appeal first to the eye. Chefs in commercial kitchens know this. Whether carving a pork loin or a leg of lamb, they know cuts should be consistently smooth and even, that each portion should look tender and appetizing. A good chef knows the importance of economy, too. Meat must be carved attractively, but profitably, with a minimum of waste. And the more easily it is done, the better.
That's why I use the new Hamilton Beach commercial electric knife. Here is a knife that every chef and everyone in the kitchen who carves or cuts will appreciate.
More than any other knife, the Hamilton Beach commercial electric knife will help you make short, clean work of all your carving, slice after slice, at exactly the thickness you want, with less waste of meat, and with much less work on your part. The Hamilton Beach knife is a clean-cutting, easy knife to use and control. And not just for carving meat, but for any other cutting job that has to be done in the commercial kitchen. The new Hamilton Beach commercial electric knife is heavy duty and built to last. It's the new big brother to the popular consumer knife, the one with the famous hole in the handle, a design that makes both knives unique. The moment you take it in your hand, even if your hand is wet or greasy, you appreciate the balanced, non-slip grip. In fact, this knife is so well balanced that women use it with the greatest of ease. With the weight below the hand, the knife literally holds itself in a comfortable carving position, even for horizontal slicing. In the Hamilton Beach commercial electric knife, it's the blades that turn, not the knife. Simply snap-lock them into a vertical or horizontal position with a simple turn of the turret. For left-handed slicing, merely insert the blades upside down and turn or rotate the blades normally. The on-off button is conveniently located under your thumb. A safety trigger locks the off position until you grip the handle. It is no problem at all to control the thickness of each portion. The slice indicator, attached to the turret, measures the desired thickness of each cut, slice after slice. Whatever the meat, the effortless, accurate cutting action is always the same. This action is particularly important in carving such meats as corned beef. With a regular knife, the meat is apt to move on the cutting board. The results are often uneven. But with the reciprocal cutting action of the Hamilton Beach commercial electric knife, there is no heavy knife pressure to make control of the meat difficult. The meat is lightly held, and the edges of each slice are firm and clean cut. The versatile Hamilton Beach knife is ideal, too, for cubing raw meat for stews and ragouts. The indicator guide assures uniformity of pieces. Ease of cutting speeds this operation. The delicate task of cutting fish is a snap with this versatile, convenient tool. When slices are extra thin, there is little or no waste. Hamilton Beach portion control means extra sandwiches, too, from every cut of meat, no matter what it is. Savings like these add up fast. When sandwiches are made, stack them up and cut several at once. The electric knife goes through them as if they were butter. Wherever you need a knife, to carve or to cut, you can do the job better, faster, and more easily with a Hamilton Beach commercial electric knife. Tomatoes, cucumbers, green peppers, pickles, celery, and many other vegetables. Name it. The reciprocal action of the blades takes the work out of cutting or carving. Fruits, pineapples, grapefruit, oranges, lemons, avocados, bananas, soft fruits or firm, pears, delicate fruits or fruits with thick skins. They're all the same to the Hamilton Beach Commercial Electric Knife. Cheese, any kind that stands up to the cutting edge of a knife, and even those that tend to crumble or collapse, will cut more easily with a Hamilton Beach Commercial Electric Knife. The most delicate pastries, cakes, bread, whatever their consistency. No cutting pressure is necessary as with conventional knives. The cutting is done by reciprocating blades. They don't press, they cut. Each knife comes complete with 2 sets of stainless steel blades, extra wide and extra long, with a full 10.5 inches of cutting edge. Blades are released by pressing the release button safely located underneath the housing. Blades must be in a vertical position. To put them back, you simply snap them into place. No fear of an electric shock with a Hamilton Beach Commercial Electric Knife. Your hands are completely insulated from all electrical contact. Every part of the Hamilton Beach is of heavy-duty construction. A powerful motor in a durable case is made to handle the heaviest workload of the busiest commercial kitchen. The new Hamilton Beach Commercial Electric Knife has been thoroughly tested in a wide variety of applications, from large hotels and restaurants to the smallest of lunch counters and delicatessens. Everywhere the reaction is the same. Now that we have tried the Hamilton Beach Commercial Electric Knife, we could never be without it. Unskilled help can be taught to use it within minutes. It's like adding another pair of skilled hands at unskilled cost. Or for tableside carving. Experience has proven that diners love to watch this efficient, beautifully designed knife in action. Here is everything you could ask for, and more than you will ever get from an ordinary knife. Safety, durability, and greater than ever convenience. Ask a master chef who knows.
I am proud to use this new electric knife. It is not a complicated device, foreign to a carver's habits and techniques. It is a step forward in the art of carving, a great help in every kitchen cutting job. Everything you do with an ordinary knife you can do better, more easily, and more profitably with an Hamilton Beach Commercial Electric Knife.